The day we met, frozen a hand by breath, right from the start. I knew that I found a home for my heart. Beats fast, colors and promises. How do people live? How can I love when I am afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer, I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid, I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Tell me, begging you for mercy, oh, to leave me. You got me begging you for mercy, oh, to leave me. I said I better release me. I'm begging you for mercy, just won't you release me? I said I'm begging you for mercy. You got me begging, you got me begging, you got me begging. Mercy, oh, to release me. You got me begging for mercy, oh, to release me. I said I better release me. I'm begging you for mercy, just won't you release me? I said I'm begging you for mercy. You got me begging, you got me begging, you got me begging. Mercy, won't you release me? Got me begging for mercy, won't you release me? I said I better release me. I said I better release me. I said I better release me. Mercy. Um dia antes de voltar para o trabalho, voltei pra casa e disse adeus pra tudo que eu conquistei. E coisas eu deixei só pra te falar. Largo tudo se a gente se casar domingo na praia, no sol, no mar, ou no navio a navegar, no avião a decolar, indo sem data pra voltar, toda de branco no altar. Quem vai sorrir, quem vai chorar? Ave Maria, sei que há uma história pra sonhar, pra sonhar. O que era sonho se tornou realidade. De pouco em pouco a gente foi erguendo nosso próprio bem. Nossa geração Nosso carrossel vai e vem, vai, e não para nunca mais.